and we were on the profitability ratios. Under that, we have covered two profitability ratios. One was the gross profit ratio and the other was the net profit ratio. Now we will cover these three profitability ratios today: operating ratio, operating profit ratio, and return on investment. Very important. Let's start with the first ratio of these three, which is the operating ratio, also known as operating cost ratio. Now, when I use the term operating, it is related to the core business activities. That is, all those activities, operating activities, are the sum total of all the activities which keep the business in a productive position, which keep the business operational. So the cost incurred in keeping the business operational is known as the operating cost of the business. Okay, and that is why this ratio is expressed as operating cost divided by net sales into 100. So if it is a cost ratio, then we say lower the ratio, better it is for the firm. Okay, lower is the operating cost, higher will be the profit available to the business to pay incomes, to pay dividend, to meet all the other expenses. So lower the operating cost ratio, better it is for the firm. Now I'm using the term operating cost again and again. It includes all your direct and indirect operating cost. So direct cost में आपका आता है cost of goods sold. All of you are clear with this term by now. Cost of goods sold is opening stock plus direct expenses plus purchases minus the closing stock. Cost of revenue of operations or cost of goods sold plus all the operating expenses. Now, in the profit and loss account, your selling, distribution, admin expenses, selling, distribution, office and admin expenses, your depreciation, all these are your operating expenses. नॉन ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस क्या होते हैं? जो आपके बिजनेस को रन करने के लिए एसेंशियल नहीं होते. सो दिस इंक्लूड्स से एनी लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ एसेट. This is not an operating activity because it is not every day that the business is selling assets, selling plant, selling machinery. ये वन टाइम ऑपरेशंस, वन टाइम एक्टिविटी होती है, तो ये ऑपरेशंस का पार्ट नहीं होते. अगर बिजनेस ने कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट करी हुई है, उस इन्वेस्टमेंट से अगर बिजनेस को कोई डिविडेंड आता है, तो वो भी ऑपरेटिंग इनकम का पार्ट नहीं हुआ, वो भी आपकी नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम हुई. सिमिलरली से some other people have invested money in your business and you are paying them, say, interest, or you are paying them dividend, then that is also not related to your core business activity. So it is a non-operating expense and hence will not be included in the operating cost. So these kind of expenses, they are excluded from the operating cost of the business. one thing more, जितनी ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट कम होगी उतना ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट ज्यादा होगा. तो इन दोनों रेशियोज का टोटल हमेशा 100 होता है. ओके, सिंस दिस इज इन परसेंटेज फॉर्म, if my operating cost ratio is say 75%, then this means my operating profit ratio is 25%. If this is 50%, then the other will also be 50% and so on. So sum total of operating cost ratio and operating profit ratio is equal to 100. Okay. Now, if there are any questions in the operating cost ratio, please ask them. Anyone has any question here? So if the meaning is clear, we'll move to questions on operating cost ratio. Let's start with questions. So the first question is on your screen. Simple question. Please start with the question. You're given the cost of goods sold, operating expenses and net sales. You need to directly apply these values in the formula. Operating ratio will be equal to so just calculate the answer.
मैम इसकी यूनिट क्या होती है? परसेंट?
Yes, percentage. If this is into 100, so unit is percentage.
मैम is it 80%?
Yes, the answer is 80%. 6,40,000 divided by 8 lakh will give you 80% as the operating cost ratio. So if with the same question you are asked what is the operating profit ratio, then that becomes 20%. Okay, let's move to the next question. Start solving this question.
Ma'am, is the answer 70%?
No, you have, I think, all of you are including finance cost also. That is a non-operating cost. Financing cost is not related to the day-to-day operations of the business, so it won't be considered here. Please make that correction and then calculate the final ratio.
Ma'am, then 68.75%.
Yes, 68.75% will be the answer. Others also
Ma'am, but if
compute.
we compute from profit from operations and then subtract it,
Yes, ma'am. That's
then
what I also thought. Like if we compute from profit from operations.
yes, ma'am,
प्रॉफिट
then that
फ्रॉम
would
ऑपरेशंस कैसे आप क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा कि
And
उसमें
just
ma'am,
से आप फाइनेंस कॉस्ट फिर ऐड करोगे ना बेटा उसमें तो
oh, okay.
okay.
हाँ, जब प्रॉफिट में से दोबारा थोड़ी ना ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट के लिए आप उसको माइनस कर चुके हो तो आपने
Okay,
अपने
okay,
प्रॉफिट
okay.
को ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट को
Yes,
इस
ma'am,
अमाउंट
got it.
से अंडर एस्टिमेट करा है
Yes, ma'am, got it.
ओके
Okay.
ओके Okay, so I hope all of you have understood that when we are considering the operating expenses, finance cost means, say, the interest that is being paid on long-term borrowings of the firm. जो बैंक से लोन लिया उस पे जो आप इंटरेस्ट पे कर रहे हो, that is not related to day-to-day activity of the business and therefore not considered in the operating ratio of the firm.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
ma'am, what if finance cost is broken into long-term borrowing and short-term borrowing? Then we have to include short-term borrowing interest?
नो दैट विल नॉट बी इंक्लूडेड अभी आगे जब हम कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट भी करेंगे जो भी फाइनेंसिंग आप चाहे ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज ही फाइनेंस कर रहे हो बट उसका जो नाम होता है दैट इज फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज अब वर्किंग कैपिटल के लिए लोन ले रहे हो या फिर प्रॉपर्टी
Yes, ma'am. In the case of ma'am, short-term loans, we used to take like short-term loans for working capital for our day-to-day activities.
देन दैट वो ब्रेकअप मैं आपको समझा दूंगी फिर उधर हम फिर कंसिडर करते हैं
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Ma'am,
हाँ 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 जहां पर फाइनेंशियल कॉस्ट सिंपल लिखा हुआ है आप उसको यहाँ पर इग्नोर करो ठीक है
Okay, ma'am.
फॉर द टाइम बीइंग इग्नोर इट जब वो वर्किंग कैपिटल वाला एलिमेंट आएगा वो भी मैं आपको समझा दूंगी वो ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज से ही रिलेटेड होता है
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस
Ma'am, the employees' benefit expenses, are they a part of day-to-day working?
यस दैट से फॉर एग्जांपल इसी में आपका सैलरीज भी इंक्लूडेड है जो बोनस दे रहे हो आप एम्प्लॉयज को जो डीए दे रहे हो वो सब इसमें इंक्लूडेड है जो पर्क्स मिलती है एम्प्लॉयज को तो वो सब जरूरी है टू कीप द बिजनेस इन रनिंग पोजीशन ऑफिस और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सपेंसेस का पार्ट हुआ वो
Okay, ma'am.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन
yes, ma'am.
यस माधव
मैम मेरे ये समझ में नहीं आया ये जो एक्सपेंसेस के डाउन लिस्ट है इसमें हमने ये सब ऑपरेशनल एक्सपेंसेस में क्यों लिया
जो ये एक्सपेंसेस में सबसे पहले कॉस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल कंज्यूम्ड आपने जो परचेजेस करी है रॉ मटेरियल की प्रोडक्शन के लिए चाहिए आपको
ओके मैम और
ठीक
मैम
है
ये
उसके बाद सेकंड चेंज इन इन्वेंट्री क्या होता है इधर ओपनिंग माइनस क्लोजिंग और क्लोजिंग माइनस ओपनिंग दिस इज अगेन पार्ट ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड
ओके मैम एंड व्हाट इज डब्ल्यूआईपी व्हाट इज डब्ल्यूआईपी
वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस
ओके मैम
जितना अगर जब तक आपका रॉ मटेरियल फिनिश्ड गुड नहीं बनता टिल दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट इज वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस if you are working on that raw material okay
Okay, ma'am. And as you mentioned, employee benefit expenses में हमारी
Yes,
salary
they
बचेगी.
are also part of operating cost.
But salaries are not meant from day to day, like they are paid like.
No, if you are not paying salaries, if the admin staff is not working, can your business continue?
No, ma'am.
That is what, it's not only the direct expenses, but also the indirect expenses which keep the business in a running position.
Okay, ma'am.
What we are excluding here is the non-operating expenses. Non-operating वो हैं जो बिजनेस को रनिंग पोजीशन में रखने के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. जैसे आपने लोन लिया है लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए, तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग्स is not required to keep the business in a running position.
Yes, ma'am.
Or say you have made a loss on sale of asset. Asset sell करने की वजह से आपका business run नहीं हो रहा. Okay, this is a one-time activity. So this will not come under operating activities.
Okay, got it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, this operating, non-operating will be clarified further when we take up cash flow statement also. वहाँ पर financing, investment और operating तीन टाइप की हम activities करते हैं, उससे और ज़्यादा ये आपको concept वहाँ पर भी clear हो जाएगा. Okay, so I suppose everyone has got the answer as 68.75. We now move to the next ratio. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, फोर्थ रेशियो आपकी ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट रेशियो है. So this will be operating profit upon net sales into 100. How do you calculate operating profits? Gross profit plus operating incomes जो P&L के क्रेडिट साइड पे आती हैं, माइनस ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस जो आपके P&L के डेबिट साइड पर आते हैं, divided by net sales into 100. So for example, ऑपरेटिंग इनकम्स में आपका से रिकवरी ऑफ बैड डेट हुआ है, या फिर आपका जो इनकम है नॉर्मल जो डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज से रिलेटेड है. बेसिकली इसमें जो आपके एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं, like I've given you bad debt recovered, that can be an operating income, recovery of some bad debt. But if there is any profit on sale of asset, it is a non-operational income. If the business is receiving some interest or receiving some dividend from some investment made, it will be a non-operating income. It will not be considered here. Similarly, if there is a depreciation or payment of salary, payment of commission to the salesman, these all are operating expenses. But if there is, say, a loss on sale of asset, as I told you, it is a non-operating expense. Or there is some theft in the business, theft will again be a non-operating expense. So when we adjust the gross profit for operating incomes and operating expenses, then that is known as operating profit of the business divided by net sales into 100. Okay, so let's take up a couple of questions on this. You will have a better idea of what comes under operating and non-operating. First, you have a simple question on your screens. Start solving. डायरेक्ट है, इसमें एक first part directly operating profit upon net sales into 100. Okay, so for first part, you directly calculate the ratio as 75,000 divided by 5 lakh into 100. That gives you 15%. Second answer is 13.33. If the operating cost is 5,20,000, operating profit is 80,000, and you can get your operating cost ratio. Wait, I think, sorry, operating profit ratio, because your operating profit will be 80,000 if the cost is 5,20,000. So that gives you 13.33%. What about the last part? Okay, third is also 15. I'll just check. Yes, third is 15%. So you will calculate the gross profit in the third part. You will calculate the gross profit and reduce it by the operating expenses. $1,44,000 आ जाएगा आपका. And then operating profit will be 1,44,000 minus 36,000. 1,08,000. Yes, Nancy, आप चेक करो, अब आ जाएगा आंसर 15%.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I hope this is clear. Let's take up some more questions. Yes, what is the answer? Adesh, you will help me solve this question.
Ma'am, the selling expenses given are 61,000.
60.
Okay.
तो मैं zoom कर देती हूँ अगर clear नहीं है. Adesh is here. Not here. Archan. Aryan. check karo Madhav, this is not the correct answer. Yes, Aryan is here.
Yes, ma'am, I'm solving. Ma'am, I'll send the
Aryan,
solution.
आप solve करो. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes and then you will tell me what the answer is. Okay?
Ma'am, is it 40.01%?
No.
Is it 23.8?
Asking this. Yes, Vansh.
Yes, ma'am.
23.8. Yeah, that's
Yes, ma'am.
correct.
Okay, ma'am.
आर्यन आप भी बेटा चेक करो. आप कौन सी रेशियो कर रहे हो बेटा? ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट 23.81 है. Just check what extra have you taken. Then we'll discuss the answer. So, yes, Aryan, what we'll do is we'll solve it together. आप बताओ मुझे ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट आपने कैसे सॉल्व करा है? First thing, you are given the gross sales, so you
Ma'am,
calculate
cost
the.
of goods sold.
हाँ, नेट सेल्स कितनी आ रही है बेटा? पहले वो बताओ.
Ma'am,
6,75,000. Yes.
Ma'am, is it 735?
हाँ जी.
Ma'am,
6 lakh.
735 नहीं होगा? 15,000 I think sales return.
सॉरी, फिर मैंने सेल्स रिटर्न, अच्छा मैंने 75 ले लिया. सॉरी, दैट्स 15,000. यस, 7,35,000 will be on net sales. So for operating profit, you need to subtract the cost of goods sold and your operating expenses plus operating income. This will give you the operating profit. So I'm writing it here. First element we need is cost of goods sold. हाँ आर्यन, आप बता रहे थे कितनी अमाउंट है कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड की?
Ma'am, cost of goods sold is, ma'am, 50,000 plus, ma'am, opening inventory plus purchases,
हम्म.
ma'am,
हाँ.
plus, ma'am, minus closing inventory,
हम्म. बस और
and ma'am, plus expenses, ma'am, that administrative expenses and selling expenses.
operating expenses are 25,000 plus 60,000. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And these two won't be coming. Dividend on shares and this. Yes. So class, you will be getting your operating profit. Final amount कितनी आ रही है operating profit की? After making all these calculations, your final amount should
Ma'am,
be
5,60,000.
5,60,000 माइनस करा आपने 7,35,000 से. You are also subtracting this amount from 7,35,000. That will give you 1,75,000 as the final amount of your operating profit.
Ma'am, we can also do like first we can just calculate the operating ratio and then operating profit ratio.
हाँ
according-
हाँ, वो भी method ठीक है. That is also absolutely right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's up to you how you want to solve. I have given you a detailed explanation of how to solve. So now finally 1,75,000 divided by 7,35,000 will give you 23.81% as your operating profit ratio. Okay, let's move to the next question from the same concept. I'll just zoom in here. And इसमें I think ये right वाले expenses clear नहीं है. I'll just write down those expenses here. Your selling and distribution expenses. Just a second. I'm writing it here. The right hand side of the question. Selling and distribution expenses are 4,50,400. Interest on loan 50,000. Income from investment 60,000 and loss by theft is 30,000. Okay, this is the information given and you need to calculate the operating profit ratio. And now Ayan Khan, are you here? Ayan? Very nice. I should take the attendance like this because that will save me a lot of time later. अयान बेटा आप सॉल्व करो मुझे आंसर बताओगे आप पहले ठीक है The answers in the chat box are incorrect. Aman and Vamini, please check.
मैम आप एक बार नेट सेल्स और सीओजीज की वैल्यू बोल सकते हो क्लियर
एक मिनट माधव मैं बता देती हूँ बेटा एक बार सब सॉल्व करना देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन
नहीं आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग द अमाउंट
the amount of net sales and okay COGS check now 47 lakh 99,600 is net sales. 24 lakh 40,200 COGS. Interest on loan is non-operating. I'll write down the amount if that's not clear.
Hakuna Matata.
Yes, Ayan, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, I'm waiting for 2 minutes, then I'll let you people know what is the final answer. There are so many varied responses. Only two answers, two students have correctly answered this question. And I am waiting, Ayan, अभी तक आपने आंसर नहीं पोस्ट करा. Yes, so yes, correct, Ayan, 34.54. The ones who have answered. Now some of the other students have also got this answer. This is the right answer. 34.54%. इतनी कंफ्यूजन क्यों हो गई यहाँ पर? You are